Antibiotics, many hailed as miracle drugs in treating infectious diseases. Their effectiveness has led to widespread popularity and sometimes overuse worldwide. In China, antibiotics are prescribed liberally in hospitals and can also be bought over the counter. A new study shows China, with the fifth of the world's population, accounts for half of the world's consumption of antibiotics, 162,000 tons in 2013, nearly half of it consumed by humans. Professor Ying Guangguo of the Chinese Academy of Sciences Guangzhou Institute of Geochemistry led the study.
There's overuse and misuse in hospitals and also in clinics, small clinics. So the usage of antibiotic per person in China is much higher than that in other developed countries.
A major concern about the overuse of antibiotics is that it can prompt bacteria to develop resistance. Some antibiotics have also been associated with side effects, including nausea, rashes, and damage to the central nervous system. The government has started to monitor and limit the use of antibiotics in major hospitals in big cities. A stringent regulatory system has been in place for over 3 years, and the results are obvious, according to data collected by the hospitals. Dr. Zheng Bo of Peking University First Hospital says the campaign has led to a significant drop in the use of antibiotics. Most notably at his hospital, the amount used in surgery dropped from 90% in 2006 to just over 30% last year. He says the curve is representative of a national trend.
China has introduced a series of regulatory guidelines to crack down on antibiotic overuse. Thanks to this national campaign, I think the prescription and consumption of the drugs are becoming more and more scientific.
Equally important is the education of the public on the effect of antibiotics. The best advice, says Professor Zheng, is to consult with a doctor before taking the drugs. Taoyuan, CCTV, Beijing.